Okay, today's Tuesday, October 22nd. This is how far I've gotten so far. Got the back fender off last night. I just got done stripping this paint, all the rust that was on it. It needs to be sandblasted, sanded, primed, obviously. The rear fender off, crash bars are off. I had to disconnect the electronics up here to get to the battery to disconnect it. After removing the crash bars, I realized the gas tank is dented. So I researched last night how to take this gas tank off on a fuel-injected bike. So I know how to do that now. So I can take off the gas tank, and then the front fender, and the inner fairing. I've got the bat wing all repaired, which should be the outer fairing. So it's pretty much getting a whole complete paint job. That's what it's ending up to be. So that's just a quick update. When I got the saddlebags off over here, and lo and behold, they're salvageable. And they didn't even damage the stripes, which is nice because I can just tape them off and not have to deal with that. So that is very nice. I got to fix this. So that's just a quick update. Got a bunch of photos of this as it goes along. So I'm going to keep this short and to the point. So I'll be back when I got more to show you. Okay, here's a look of what got done today. Today is Sunday, the 3rd of November. I was out here early this morning at what I thought was 7:30, but it turned out to be 6:30. There's the time change. So there's the rear fender. There's the damaged lid for the saddlebag. There's the front fender. There's the repaired, previously dented gas tank. And then over here is the repaired Jack Daniels fairing that was damaged on both sides. This has got a little dirt in the top I'm going to have to sand out. So I pulled that off, that was good. So now it's time to clean up and wind this down. And again, this is primarily for my own entertainment, but if you watched it, thanks for watching. There's more to come. I got this bike in a zillion pieces, as you can see. So pretty soon it'll be time to start putting this back together. Hopefully have this ready to ship out. Around Thanksgiving, I believe, is the date. All right, there's your update. Project Jack.